A few years ago, I was a new stay-at-home mom and I was struggling. I'm talking postpartum depression, a one-income family, staring at our bank account in the middle of the night, wondering, how are we going to make this work? I wanted to contribute financially, but I also didn't want to miss out on time with my kids. So I tried everything: blogging, Pinterest, Shopify, even TikTok. And every single one of them either required me to be glued to my phone all day or spend money on ads that we literally did not have. But fast forward to today, and I've made over $29,000 selling digital products on Etsy as a homeschooling stay-at-home mom who mostly works while my kids are sleeping. But here is what nobody tells you about starting an Etsy shop as a busy mom. And I mean nobody. Not the gurus, not the courses, not the YouTube videos that promise you can just pay for ads and the sales will come. In this video, I'm gonna share the 3 things I wish somebody had told me before I wasted years chasing side hustles that were never gonna work for my lifestyle. Because if you're a mom who wants to make money from home without sacrificing time with your kids, without being on social media constantly, and without needing a big budget for ads, you need to hear this. So the first thing nobody tells you is that you actually don't need social media to make money on Etsy. When I started my Etsy shop, every guru in every YouTube video was telling me, not even telling me, like screaming at me that I needed to be on Instagram, I needed to be on TikTok, I 100% needed to be on Pinterest and posting in Facebook groups if I ever wanted to make money on Etsy. But after starting my Etsy shop and making over $1,000 my second full month selling digital products, I realized that not only do I not need to be on social media, but that if I could make $1,000 on Etsy without social media, that I could make way more even if I didn't use social media. And as a homeschooling stay-at-home mom, I cannot be glued to my phone all day. I don't want to be creating content 3 times a day, and that's just like on the feed. And then that's not even including the stories you're creating all day. And I did not want to be checking comments and responding to DMs. And I 100% did not want to be chasing whatever trend was happening that day so I could get more views that didn't turn into sales. I didn't care how much money they said I could make. That type of lifestyle was not the lifestyle that I wanted to live. I want to be present with my kids. I want to be at the playground with them without checking my phone to see if trolls left mean comments under my video. Now, what these people do not tell you is that Etsy has over 80 million active buyers going to their website specifically to spend money. So that's over 80 million people who are actively searching, trying to find a product that you've created so they can pay you. This means you don't need to bring traffic to Etsy. You just need to show up where the buyers already are. I built my entire Etsy shop using Etsy's internal search engine. This is called Etsy SEO, and it's basically just making sure that you show up when somebody searches for the type of product you created. So instead of trying to spend hours posting on Instagram and posting on TikTok, you are just creating products that people are already searching for so they can buy it, and then you are optimizing it, which is telling Etsy, hey, I've created this type of product. When you see this person searching for it, make sure you show my product to them. That is literally what we're doing with SEO. And that's exactly how my shop has been getting sales even when I neglect it for months at a time. So I am able to make sales on Etsy while I'm homeschooling my kids, while I'm cooking dinner, and even while I'm sleeping. I've made over $29,000 selling digital products on Etsy, and I don't have an Instagram following. I don't even have the TikTok app on my phone. Inside the sales sprint, I've showed over 1,400 people this exact strategy, and many of them are making their first sales. We just had Mercedes make her first sale with 1 digital product in her shop. So yes, it is still possible to sell digital products on Etsy in 2026. People are still buying. It is not saturated. So if you've been wanting to start an Etsy shop, but you don't want to be on social media all the time, perfect. Me neither. You absolutely can do this without social media. Okay, so let's move into the second thing that nobody tells you about selling digital products on Etsy, and that is you do not need to spend money on ads. And I have to clarify because there are actually two types of ads within the Etsy platform. So there are on-site ads and off-site ads. On-site ads are where you pay Etsy to promote your products within the Etsy platform. Now, when people say that they pay for ads, they are talking about on-site ads. I do not pay for those. And then there's the off-site ads. And this is Etsy promoting your products on platforms that are off of Etsy. So think of Google, Pinterest, Facebook. Etsy will automatically promote your products there off of the Etsy platform. So they're called off-site ads. And the thing with the off-site ads is that you only get charged when someone sees your ad and makes a purchase. So if someone Googles a digital planner and they end up buying your digital planner through the Etsy off-site ads, that is when you would get charged for that sale. But other than that, you are not getting charged. You are not spending any money on these off-site ads. So to clarify, I do not use on-site ads. I do not pay Etsy to promote my listings within the Etsy platform, but I do use the off-site ads, and let me tell you two reasons why. The first reason is because I'm automatically enrolled because I make more than $10,000 a year on Etsy. So once you meet that threshold of making over $10,000 in a 365-day period, you are automatically enrolled in off-site ads. And then the second reason I use these ads, other than I have to, is because I'm not paying for them unless I make a sale anyways. So it really doesn't matter that they're going because I only get charged when I make a sale. So it's honestly not that big of a deal. So when people tell you that you need a budget for ads, they are talking about on-site ads. This is when you set a budget of like $5 a day, $10 a day, $20 a day plus. Like people have really big budgets for ads, and Etsy is going to try to find people to buy your product, but you are getting charged whether you make sales or not. And this is where I see a lot of new sellers spend a lot of money and don't make any sales because they get views to their products, but those views from those ads do not turn into any sales. So they end up spending $50, $100 and make $0 back. And the way that I avoid paying for ads or even needing ads is that I use a simple strategy of creating products that people are already searching for and already buying. So I'm basically just giving the people what they want. When you have the right strategy in place, you do not need to pay for ads. Ads become fuel for the fire. So your organic strategy is already going, you're already making sales. Then if you want to drive more traffic or get more views to those products that are already selling, that's when you pay for ads. But ads should not be like a band-aid where you're not getting sales. So you're like, let me just spend money on ads and hope that sales magically happen. That is when I see people go through a lot of money. So inside the sales sprint, I do not cover ads at all because I don't think they're necessary, as I've shown with my shop. And I've had many students make sales without paying for ads. So Etsy is still thriving organically. You do not need to pay for ads in order to make sales. Etsy will promote your products for you if you have the right strategy and you are letting Etsy know what your products are so they can show them to the correct people. And that's exactly what I teach you how to do in the sales sprint. Okay, and so let's move on to the third thing that nobody tells you about selling digital products on Etsy. And that is you can do this even with your schedule. So many work from home side hustle type of opportunities require you to constantly be on your phone basically, or just always glued to something. You're either like answering emails, you're writing blog posts, even like a YouTube channel can become overwhelming if I allow it to. But lucky for me, YouTube just keeps promoting my videos. It's kind of like Etsy. It just does the promotion for me. But if you're doing like short form content where you're constantly on TikTok, constantly posting on Instagram, those types of ways to make money can completely take over your life, and it feels like you're just on your phone working all the time. And I am speaking from experience because I have tried many, many, many side hustles, and so many of them felt like they were taking over my life. I would be home with my kids all day, and I felt like I didn't see my kids all day. So it's like if you know, you know. Like, even though they were here with me all day, I felt like I didn't really get to spend time with them. I didn't really interact with them. And that's because I was so busy trying to make money so I could continue to stay home with them. But the way I was making money, I could have just been at a job because I wasn't really spending time with them anyways. And so that's really what made me go down the Etsy platform, was because I wanted a way that I could actually be present with my kids and still make money. And the beautiful thing about selling digital products on Etsy is that once I create the product, it is there until I go in there and delete it or make it inactive, whatever it is. But that product is going to stay on there. And if I have set it up correctly, which is what I show you how to do in the sales sprint, Etsy is going to continue to promote it. That's how I've been able to make over $13,000 from just one digital product, because Etsy keeps promoting it for me. And when somebody buys the product, Etsy automatically delivers it. So whether I make a sale at 2 a.m., Etsy's going to get the product to that person. If I make a sale at 2 p.m. while I'm hanging out with my kids, Etsy is going to get the product to that person. So I don't have to stop what I'm doing to fulfill orders. And this is how I'm able to work about 10 hours a week while my kids are sleeping, because Etsy is doing most of the heavy lifting for me. I don't have to ship anything. I don't have to package up orders. I don't have to answer dozens of customer service emails throughout the day. When I'm homeschooling my kids, or when I'm cooking dinner, or when we're playing the game, I am completely present with them, and I'm just getting cha-ching notifications throughout the day without me having to do anything extra. And that's the type of lifestyle I wanted. And luckily, that's the type of lifestyle that Etsy has been able to provide for my family. So for me, having an Etsy shop does not run my life. It literally fits into my life, and it is so beautiful. And I wish I could tell more busy moms about this and that they would actually try it. And I think that so many people are hesitant to try it because it's just not clickbaity enough. Like, I'm not here promising you're gonna make $10,000 your first month. And I'm not promising you that you're gonna go viral and make all of these sales. So it's just not as exciting as the other people promoting other ways to make money. But to me, having a way to make money from home that is sustainable and fits into my lifestyle, that is exactly what I want to accomplish, and that is exactly what I want for you too. I realized that with Etsy, I didn't have to choose between being a present mom and making money from home. I could do both. And that's what I want for you too, because you shouldn't have to sacrifice time with your kids to contribute financially to your family. You shouldn't have to be glued to your phone to make money for your family. You shouldn't have to have a huge budget for ads to make money for your family. There is a better way, and it has worked for me. It has worked for many of my students, and I want to invite you to join us in the sales sprint to see if it can work for you too. Because imagine the feeling of waking up, looking at your phone, and seeing that you've made money while you were sleeping. Imagine the feeling of being fully present with your kids during the day, reading stories, doing crafts, teaching them their homeschool lessons without this nagging feeling of, oh, I need to be working. I need to be posting on TikTok. Oh, I need to make an Instagram reel. I haven't posted a story today. Like, that nagging feeling will always be with you, but with Etsy, it's not. And imagine looking at your bank account and seeing the direct deposit from Etsy and knowing that you posted a few products and Etsy is doing the selling for you. That is literally what's possible. And that's exactly why I created the sales sprint, to help you get there. You can work at your own pace because this fits into your lifestyle. And you'll be surrounded by a community of over 1,000 members in our Facebook group who are on the same journey as you. This is not about becoming an influencer or going viral or being glued to your phone all day. There is a better way to make money online, and I'm here to help you do it. So I want to leave you with this. You don't have to choose between being present with your kids and making money from home. Those two things can coexist. They do for me and they do for many of my students, and they can for you too. Even if you don't choose to go down the Etsy route, there is still a way for you to make money from home, and I don't want you to give up on that search just because Etsy hasn't worked or affiliate marketing hasn't worked. Just keep trying, keep looking for the solution because it is out there. And if you want to see how everyday people are making money on Etsy, make sure you watch this video next. I'm going to break down exactly what they're doing so you can do the same thing, even if you have limited tech skills or no design skills. So click this video over here and I'll see you there.